Juggling generalization, an introduction PowerPoint lesson. You're asking me to juggle generalization? First, I need to know what is generalization. A generalization is a broad statement about a subject based on one, information, two, observation, and three, experience. Ah, I need to break that definition into pieces to understand it. A generalization is a broad statement about a subject. What exactly is a subject? And we learned in our grammar lesson that a subject is a person or thing that is being discussed. Math, brothers, cat, chocolate. It can be anything. A generalization is a broad statement about a subject based on information. Information equals to learn. Humans are mammals. Lettuce is a vegetable. There are four sides to a square. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6. Information. A generalization is a broad statement based about a subject based on information, observation. Let's talk about observation. Observation is to see. I see my bedroom is messy. I see what others eat and don't eat. I see people walking to stay in shape. Observation. A generalization is a broad statement about a subject based on information, observation, and experience. Experience equals to do. I rode on a roller coaster. I go to school. I have tasted many foods. I have been to the dentist. Experience. So, generalization is a broad statement based on one, information, two, observation, and three, experience. I understand what observation is now, but I have a new question. What's the difference between generalization, facts, and opinions? Well, think of walking across a tightrope. Facts are on one end, opinions are on the opposite end, generalization is in the middle. Facts are statements that can be proven either true or false. Millions of people visit Hawaii every year. Fact. Opinions. Statement that can express beliefs that cannot be proven. Hawaii is the best place to go for vacation. Opinion. Generalization. These are statements that involve a leap to conclusion that is logical but unproven. Remember, when you leap to conclusion, it may sound logical, but you cannot prove it. Many people love to go to Hawaii for vacation. That's generalization. Here are the generalization or some generalization clue words. These words can help you detect a generalization. Here they are: some, many, most, few, sometimes, often, rarely, probably, might, typically. Let's practice. I think I'm ready to juggle some generalization. Are you ready? Many kids don't like to get up in the morning. This statement, is it a fact, an opinion, or a generalization? The answer is generalization. It is not a fact. It is not an opinion. It is a leap to a conclusion when you put everybody in one particular basket. Let's talk about what makes the statement a generalization. What makes this a generalization? Does it fit the definition? Yes. It's a broad statement about kids based on what we know about them, have observed about them, or have experienced ourselves. Is there a generalization clue word? Yes. Many is a clue word. Does it involve a leap to a conclusion that is logical but unproven? Yes. Kids' likes and dislikes cannot be proven as facts, but it is a logical conclusion to make about many kids. All kids should get at least 10 hours of sleep at night. Is it a generalization, a fact, or an opinion? Look for the clue word now. Can it be proven? Is it untrue? The answer is an opinion. Okay? Why? It is a belief about what kids should do. It cannot be proven. Kids often suffer in several ways by not getting enough sleep at night. Hmm. Fact, opinion, generalization. It, it is something that can be proven true or false. It is something that most people believe, or is it a broad statement? It is generalization. Why? What makes it a generalization? Does it fit the definition? Yes, it fits it. Is there a generalization clue word? Hmm. Yes, often is the generalization clue word. Does it involve a leap to conclusion that is logical but unproven? Yes. Newborns spend more hours asleep than awake each day. Fact, opinion, generalization. What do you think? The answer is fact. Hmm. Why? The statement can be proven. That's right. There is research out there that proves that newborns sleep more during the day. Kids should be allowed to nap in school if they are tired. Is this a fact, an opinion, or generalization? What do you think? It's an opinion, all right? It is something that cannot be proven, it's something that you believe or you feel. This statement is a belief about what kids should be allowed to do. Let's keep practicing. Ah, I think I'm getting the hang of this, but I need a little more practice before I can call myself a generalization juggling expert. What is generalization? There are different types of clouds. Fluffy clouds are pretty. Sometimes clouds will produce rain. Which one is a generalization sentence? A, B, or C? The answer is C. Remember, it is a broad statement. Sometimes clouds will produce rain. Generalization. Clue word, sometimes. A is a fact. There are different types of cloud. B is an opinion. What statement is a generalization? A, many people celebrate Sino Dia Mayo. B, everyone needs to celebrate Sino Dia Mayo in some way. Or Sino Dio Mayo occurs on May 5th. Ah, good one for Miss Ray. Which one is generalization? A. Many people celebrate Sino de Mayo. Many people. Clue word, many. B. An opinion. So C. It is a fact. Let's go to another one. Which statement is a generalizing? Prince George is a lucky child. B. Some consider prince and princesses to be very lucky. Or C. Prince William and Princess Kate have a son named George or Prince George. Which one is a fact? Which one is a generalization? Which one is an opinion? Let's go to the generalization. Okay, B. Some consider prince and princesses to be very lucky. Clue word, some. Which one is a fact? A is an opinion. So therefore, C is a fact. Prince William and Princess Kate. That's the parents. Which one is a generalization? A person can get sunburn on a cloudy day. A severe sunburn is more painful than a broken bone. People with blonde hair typically sunburn more quickly than people with brown hair. Ah, which one is a fact? Which one is a generalization? Let's see. Answer is C. People with blonde hair typically sunburn more quickly than with brown hair. That is a broad statement. That's a generalization. What is the clue word? Typically. Very good. So which one is a fact? A is a fact. Very good. And B will be the opinion. Excellent. Which one is a generalization? A. Many kids think radishes taste gross. B. Radishes are a root vegetable. C. Radishes taste gross. Generalization will be A, B, C. Which one? A. Very good. Many kids think radishes is gross, tastes gross. And that's sort of general, a broad statement, putting everybody into the same category. So, which is the clue word? Many. Radishes are a root vegetable. B is a fact. So, radishes taste gross will be an opinion. Very good. That is C. Which one is a generalization? Hawaii is the best state to go for vacation. Hawaii is the only U.S. state made of entirely of a land. And see, many Americans dream of a vacation. Which one will be the generalization? What do you think? Yes, I was thinking C myself. Why? What is the clue word? Many. Excellent. So which one is a fact? Is it A or B? Which one is an opinion? A or B? A will be an opinion and B will be fact. Faulty versus valid generalization. Now I hear there are faulty and valid generalization. What exactly does that mean? What is a valid generalization? Valid equals logical. Valid generalization are one, logical and reasoned, two, supported by facts and examples. Faulty equals false. A faulty generalization is a generalization that can be proven false. Be careful of using these words when making a generalization. All, none, no, no one, everyone, always, never. When you use these words, just one exception can prove your generalization false. I want to stay clear of faulty generalizations. I compare that to juggling with fire sticks. I want to look at a few examples so I won't be avoided. No one likes to get up in the morning. What makes this a faulty generalization? The word no one. Very good. Remember those clue words we said to avoid? No one are warning words. The generalization can be proven false by finding just one person who likes to get up in the morning. Change this statement into a valid generalization. Many people don't like to get up in the morning. All kids love pizza. What makes this a faulty generalization? Yes, the word all. All is a warning word. The generalization can be proven false by finding just one kid who doesn't like pizza or love pizza. Change this statement to a valid generalization. How would you do that? That's right. You can put most kids love pizza. It never snows in Florida. What makes this a faulty generalization? That's right. The word never is a warning word. The generalization can be proven false by finding just one time it snowed somewhere in Florida. Change this statement into a valid generalization. How? It rarely snows in Florida. It almost never snows in Florida. So that's how your statement should be written. Every kid dreams of playing in the NBA. What makes this a faulty generalization? The word every. Every is a warning word. The generalization can be proven false by just one kid who doesn't dream of playing in the NBA. Change this statement into a valid generalization. How would you do that? Many kids dream of playing in the NBA. Faulty versus valid generalization. That helped a lot. I just want a little more practice identifying generalization, especially the faulty ones. What makes this a valid generalization? Everyone who sneezes when petting a cat is allergic to them. Or B, some people who sneeze when petting a cat are actually allergic to them. Which one will be a valid one? A or B? Let's see. That's right, B. Remember that clue word? Everyone is a faulty generalization. Some people makes it a valid generalization. Which statement is a generalization? A, tall kids make the best basketball players. B, everyone knows that tall kids make a good basketball player. All right, let's which one is a generalization? That's right, B. It is a generalization. Is it a faulty one or is it a valid one? And I would say it is a faulty one because it has a clue word, everyone. So what is A? A is an opinion. That's right. Because you say all kids make best basketball players. That's not quite true. Which statement is a valid generalization? A. Liberians often enjoy sharing their love of reading with others. Or B. All Liberians love to read. Which one is a valid one? A or B? Hmm. I have my answer. Do you? That's right. A. All right. Liberians often, so that makes it valid. B, it says Liberians love to, so that put everyone into the same category, and one who doesn't like it can prove it false. This statement is a generalization. A, many toddlers are messy eaters, and B, toddlers should never be allowed to drink juice on carpet. Which one? That's right, A. Is this generalization valid or faulty? What do you think? It is valid. Why? B is an opinion. That's right. Okay? So we have the word many, the clue word in there, many. Which statement is a valid generalization? All kids love summer vacation. Or B, many kids go on vacation in the summer. Which one will it be? That's right, B. So what's A? Is it a fact or an opinion? Okay. I have my answer. Do you? Which statement is a generalization? My dad say he loves to argue with his doctor. Or B, some people love to argue with others. Which one is a generalization? That's right, B. B is a generalization. Is it valid or faulty? It is valid. Very good. All right. A is a fact. My dad says he loved to argue with his doctor. So you're quoting that. Thank you, boys and girls, for learning about generalization versus fact and opinion.